Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use to lift a person into the mid position of a full-size GM van, such as the GMC Savannah or the Chevy Express van. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multi-purpose cordless transfer lift system that can be used in many different environments. So the same multi-lift that we're going to use to lift Heather into the mid position of this van could also be used to lift Heather into the front of the van or a different vehicle, or to lift a wheelchair into the back of many different vehicles. It can be used in the bathroom to get you in and out of the bathtub, on and off of the toilet, into and out of bed, in conjunction with a portable base, a wheeled base called the Easy Base, so that you can travel easily with your system. But it doesn't stop there. RVs, swimming pools, hot tubs, campers, travel trailers, you name it, if you need to do a transfer, you can probably use the multi-lift to get you where you want to go. So how does it work? Well, you'll see that we've got a quick mount here. This is a mount that's mounted under the seat of the vehicle. It involves no drilling whatsoever. We've got a couple of extensions which are removable here. Of course, we've got to put the safety pin on in order to make sure that everything is safe while we're using the lift. So the multi-lift, again, no modification to the electrical system of the vehicle, no hole drilling. Our next step is going to be connect the sling. Now you'll notice that the sling is a quick sling. It's a back saver sling, so you don't need to lift the person to get the sling on. It goes around the back, down the sides of the thighs, and it only goes underneath, right underneath the legs. Gives you a great degree of flexibility. Next, we're going to do under the arms here. Once the user is up and off the ground, off the wheelchair, we're going to move the wheelchair away and go up and into the vehicle. Once we're up and in sufficiently, you can see that we're suspended right over the seat. Downward we go. And we are ready to disconnect the sling. Remove the lift, and we're ready to hit the road. Now, you can, in this particular instance, ask Access Unlimited to provide a tie-down so that the lift could be left safely in place while the vehicle is in motion. However, many users choose to simply remove the lift itself, throw it in the back. Of course, it has to be secured. Remove the mounting and the extensions. Again, secure them in the back, and all you're left with is the quick mount when the vehicle is not in use to transport a disabled person, leaving vast majority of the space available here. We also have setups so that for certain sizes of people, if there's no seat in this position right here, where you could actually go to other seats in the vehicle, possibly even the driver's side seat on the other side here, and even for a small enough person to reach around the seat and get into the passenger front, particularly in some Class B motorhomes or Class C motorhomes where that seat rotates. So lots of options available for you so that you can use the multi-lift to get where you want to go, do what you want to do in the vehicle that you want without losing major amounts of seating capacity. We really appreciate that you took the time to watch this video. We thank you very much. We look forward to hearing from you. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Access Unlimited, what we do and what we believe in, go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 2,700 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. You can contact us via our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call at 607-669-4822, country code 1 if you're from outside the U.S. You can also reach us evenings and weekends, no problem, at 615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you've enjoyed it and learned a little something, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.